Introducing the pinnacle of safety and style for your truck, the best LED third brake light. Designed to enhance visibility and elevate your vehicle's aesthetic, this essential accessory ensures that you're seen on the road, day or night. With ultra-bright LED technology, it delivers unparalleled brightness and clarity, keeping you and those around you safe from rear-end collisions. Engineered for easy installation and durability, it's the perfect blend of form and function. Elevate your truck's presence and safety with the best LED third brake light, the ultimate choice for discerning drivers who refuse to compromise on quality. At number 5 is the Nilight third brake light tail high mount. The Nilight third brake light tail high mount third stop cargo reverse LED lights is an excellent choice for vehicle owners looking to enhance safety and visibility. Compatible with several Ford and Mazda models, including 1999 to 2016 Ford Super Duty trucks and 1993 to 2011 Ford Ranger, it's a perfect upgrade from standard OEM halogen lights. This product promises premium quality with materials sourced from OEM-approved manufacturers, ensuring a highly efficient replacement. The LED lights are substantially brighter, lighting up far quicker than traditional bulbs. This immediate illumination is key to preventing accidents, providing other drivers ample warning of your stopping or decelerating motion, especially crucial during severe weather or heavy traffic conditions. Speaking of severe weather, the Nilight LED third brake light excels with its IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring that it can withstand brutal weather conditions like snow, heavy rain, or dust storms. The light is sealed with a high-density foam mounted back that keeps any moisture at bay. Installation is straightforward, emphasizing a plug-and-play operation, essential for those who prefer a simple, hassle-free setup. It does not require drilling. Instead, utilizing existing factory screws assures a snug, perfect fit while reducing the risk of damaging the light through over-tightening, a common issue when using electronic tools. Included in the package is one PC LED third brake light and one PC high-density foam pad, with a reassuring 2-year warranty provided by Nilight. At number 4 is the Nilight third stop brake LED lights. The Nilight LED third brake light is a standout choice for Toyota Tacoma owners seeking an upgraded replacement for their factory rear cab center mount tail light. This high-quality product not only ensures enhanced safety, but also promises longevity and ease of installation. At the heart of its superiority is the use of high-grade OE materials crafted by OEM-approved manufacturers, ensuring stringent compliance with OEM requirements. This light outshines traditional OEM halogen by shining up to 10 times brighter and lighting up significantly faster. These features are critical as they considerably improve the reaction time for trailing drivers, thus minimizing the risk of rear-end accidents. Durability is also a hallmark of the Nilight third brake light, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating. This feature is paramount for truck owners who frequently face adverse weather conditions. The light's housing, secured with a high-density foam mounted back and perfectly sealed, guards against the ingress of elements like water, snow, or heavy rain, ensuring flawless operation in varying weather scenarios. Installation is another significant advantage that beckons attention. With a convenient plug-and-play setup, it circumvents the need for drilling, mitigating any potential damage during installation. Importantly, the product package includes specific screws for installation, and it is advised to use a hand screw tool instead of electric tools, which guard against cases of over-tightened, potentially cracked housings. At number 3 is the Partsam replacement for F-150 third brake light. The Partsam replacement for F-150 third brake light is a versatile and superior lighting solution for owners of Ford F-150s from 1997 to 2003 and the 2004 Heritage and users both visually and in terms of performance. This high-mount stoplight provides a significant upgrade from older, incandescent lighting setups often found in these models. Featuring a sleek black housing with a smoke lens, the unit enhances the vehicle's appearance with a modern touch. More importantly, it includes super bright full LED lights, a vast improvement in visibility and longevity compared to traditional bulbs that are prone to quicker wear and reduced brightness over time. LED lights offer the benefits of both lower energy consumption and higher output, ensuring clear visibility in varying weather and driving conditions. Installation of this third brake light is manageable, although it does require retention and use of the old screws as the new ones are not provided. The light comes with a foam gasket and is advertised as waterproof. However, additional sealing with silicone or clear RTV on the upper parts of the light fixture is recommended to prevent any water ingress. The light supports a plug-and-play setup for vehicles with a single plug connection, which facilitates a straightforward installation process. Vehicles with a 3-wire connection might require more steps, with some DIY wiring needed according to videos available online, which might be suitable for those comfortable with simple vehicle electrical tasks. At number 2 is the Auto Dynasty Dual Row LED Third Brake Light. The Auto Dynasty Dual Row LED Black Third Brake Light is designed for vehicle models originally equipped with cargo lights and offers several compelling features that attract vehicle enthusiasts seeking secondary function alongside noticeable aesthetic improvements. It directly addresses the common need for better visibility and distinctive styling without demanding extensive modifications or specialized installation knowledge. This unit employs a dual-row LED configuration designed to emit a superior, bright light compared to traditional OE halogen bulbs. The LED system significantly enhances the vehicle's visibility to other drivers, especially crucial during braking. LEDs are not only brighter but are more power efficient, with a lower consumption rate that contributes to a longer lifespan and decreased load on the vehicle's electrical system. Such characteristics make it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective upgrade. Installation is notably straightforward thanks to the plug-and-play setup, which harmonizes perfectly with existing bolt holes. This feature removes any requirement for drilling, contributing to an easy, non-permanent change that can be done at home, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Material-wise, the brake light is encased in durable ABS plastic and covered by a robust polycarbonate lens that withstands adverse weather conditions, challenges from the road environment, and general wear and tear. The 14-inch-long, black housing not only adds an element of sleek, modern style to the vehicle but also promises resilience and minimum maintenance. At number 1 is the AUYICH LED Third Brake Light. The AUYICH LED Third Brake Light for the Tundra 2007 to 2021 is a standout choice for drivers who prioritize both functionality and standout styling in their vehicle modifications. This rear center high-mount stoplight elevates the conventional brake light by introducing a high-tech, burst flash strobe feature inspired by Formula One racing. This precise addition allows for heightened visibility, which in turn significantly enhances on-road safety, especially during heavy braking. This brake light is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It shines brilliantly with high-output LEDs that display a wider beam angle, ensuring that your vehicle is visible even under adverse weather conditions. What sets it apart is the ability to switch the strobe function on and off, allowing customization according to driving preferences and conditions, a thoughtful detail that ensures this upgrade aligns with user requirements. Construction-wise, the unit scores high on durability and robustness with its IP67 waterproof rating. The presence of EVA foam on the back further stabilizes the unit by eliminating gaps, providing an extra layer of protection against rain, snow, and dust intrusion. Additionally, it boasts a resistant ABS plastic lens with anti-aging properties, guaranteeing the light remains clear and potent through extended use. The plug-and-play setup of this brake light underscores its ease of installation, with most installations wrapping in under 10 minutes. Certified by DOT and SAE, its reliability is further backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, ensuring any potential issues are promptly addressed.